This month, the Maine Department of Environmental Protection was awarded $250,000 to keep the state's beaches clean.
Part of the Federal Beach Act of 2000, the state of Maine has relied on this funding to keep beachgoers safe from contaminated swimming water. News Center Maine's Caroline LaCour joins us from East End Beach in Portland to share why that monitoring is so important. Caroline?
Brian and Amanda, just this week, East End Beach here in Portland was one of about a handful of beaches that was under an advisory for unhealthy levels of bacteria present in the water. Now, while that advisory is no longer in effect here at East End, health experts want you to know the risks before jumping in.
It's been a good start to the season so far. Been some really nice beach days.
Sun and sand is what Mainers have been waiting for since winter, but high levels of bacteria found in the water might cast a shadow on your next beach day.
We do tend to see more bacterial issues when we've had rainfall. If you can recall, this past weekend was pretty rainy.
Just this week, beaches in Ogunquit, Kennebunk, Kennebunkport, Camden, Rockport, and more were flagged for unsafe levels of bacteria found in the water. That's where Megan Sims and her team at the Maine Healthy Beaches program comes in.
Our program is not only focused on collecting those samples and knowing about bacteria problems, but it's about notifying the public.
You've probably seen signs at your local beach notifying swimmers of the water quality. That's them. Right now, the program monitors over 60 beaches across the state from Memorial Day through Labor Day, thanks to the work of many volunteers who test the water regularly.
So our protocol when we have elevated bacteria is to always make every effort to what we call resample that location.
Many of this week's advisories flagged high levels of enterococci bacteria.
Types of bacteria that you see in stool, whether it be stool from people, kids with diapers on, or Canada geese or other waterfowl.
Dr. Dora Ann Mills is the Chief Health Improvement Officer for Maine Health. She says the dangers associated with this kind of unsafe bacteria levels could lead to a gastrointestinal illness or something called swimmer's itch.
Generally irritating, not particularly harmful, but for people with immune compromised conditions can be.
Now, if you're still a little unsure about the water quality before jumping in, Mills also recommends taking in the context. Take note of how many animals that might be around, as well as the water circulation. For example, a still cove might not have enough water circulation to flush out any of those sort of contaminants. As well, if you want to check out if your go-to beach is under an advisory, you can check out the Maine Healthy Beaches portal. We'll have that linked on our website and mobile app for you. Live in Portland, Caroline LaCour, News Center Maine.
Caroline, our thanks to you today.